It's one of the most exciting times in the garden right now. I think I have a ripe watermelon. So let me show you. Come with me. All around, all my overgrown dill and things. This is a bed that had potatoes and watermelon, and now it has a couple watermelon growing. And this one right here, you can see that the tendril that's opposite where the watermelon is attached has turned brown. So this is a really good sign. And if I flip my watermelon over, this is bright yellow and not white. Some people also knock on their watermelon. I don't find that's very reliable, but just for fun, let's have a listen. That's pretty hollow sounding. So I think that this watermelon is going to be ripe. If you look at this one over here, this one still needs some more time. So I follow the stem into the vine, and then I look at the curly tendril that's associated. This is green and springy. This one definitely needs more time. I'll flip it over. That is close to the right color. It's still a little bit white, but this alone I never trust. And right back on the mulch to keep it protected from being too wet. Okay, so I'm just gonna snip off my vine here. Boom, there we go. And watermelon don't ripen off of the vine. So you wanna be sure before you do that. I'm gonna take it over to a table and prove that I got a good one. Oh, I can see it already. It's gonna be so good. Oh my goodness, I can't believe how pink this is. That's a watermelon. Yeah, you want to talk too, hey? Ooh, look at the bees. Oh, they're lovely. Look at them. They're all over my marigold. Very nice. Good job, bees. That's why I have these watermelons. I've got all the bees coming around, and I guess the birds are leaving it alone. Hi, Blue Jay.